Hey guys, let's have a quick overview of what the Nifty's range would be for the next couple of days for the rest of the week. We're looking at the daily chart, and this chart combines the futures and the spot prices. So it gives me a continuous pricing picture, and it's easier to analyze. As I said, this is the daily chart. The blue lines are your supports, the red ones are your resistances. Nifty is trading right around resistance of 470. We have a support at 350, below which the support is around 200 for tomorrow and day after. If Nifty and the our first resistance today is at 470. At present, we are trading above that, but let's see how the rest of the day goes. Above 470, our next resistance for tomorrow will be right around 690, let's say 700. 700 would be our resistance. So we are expecting Nifty to trade between 200 and 700 for the rest of this week. Okay, so if Nifty closes above 470 in the daily chart, right, today, we can expect it to try to go to 700 either tomorrow or day after. All right, and closing below 470 would take it to its support at 350. And if 350 is broken, then 200 is its second support. All right, guys, this is a quick overview of the rest of the week. Um, Good luck and see you soon.